Hey everybody, Mr. Ratliff here. Welcome to Phase 2 learning. Whether that's completely virtual still for you if you are in the ARC program, or whether we are going to start seeing you in person on an every other day basis. Either way, welcome to Phase 2. So today is going to be what we call an asynchronous day. So your responsibility is going to be just to watch this video today to understand a little bit about the organization of Canvas now, because I've changed some things up a little bit. So just follow along, take a look at some things, and then after you're done watching this, if you want to go in and play a little bit and take a look, you can certainly do that as well. Okay? All right. So I am in the student view as of now. Obviously, I can only see my class, so I'm going to click on that one. The first thing you are going to notice is that I have changed the layout of our home screen here. Still have all the quick buttons at the bottom. Left-hand side, you can still see everything you could before, but you'll notice some changes, right? So all of these buttons on this home page are going to be linked in one way or another. As soon as I get done with this video and I post it, I'm going to put it under that Monday button, so you could click there and you'd see this video again, although I don't advise it. Just once would be enough, I think. So on Mondays, okay, Mondays for the most part under Phase 2 are going to be asynchronous, meaning an activity on your own at home. So every Monday for social studies, you're going to hop onto Canvas. You're going to click on that Monday button right there. And you will see the activity I need you to work on for the day. Okay, and that's everybody. Whether you are ARC, Group A, or Group B, on Mondays, you are going to click the button that says Monday All Classes. Okay? The second button you see there is for our ARC classes. So for me, my 5th hour folks, that's going to be your Zoom link. All right? It will direct you straight to Zoom, just like my link has been working for the last several weeks under Phase 3. And we will be meeting on Tuesdays and Thursdays. Okay, so during 5th hour on Tuesdays and Thursdays, which is from 12:04 to 12:53, you're going to click on that link and head that direction. All right? Now, down here at the bottom, we've got 2 more links. We've got a Group A and ARC button, and we've got a Group B button. Every day, okay, whether you are in the classroom or at home, you are going to be clicking on that link. That is going to take you directly to the assignment that I want you working on for the day. So for instance, tomorrow on Tuesday, October 6th, okay, Group A, you are going to be in person with me, and Group B, you will be working asynchronously from home. So Group B on Tuesday, you are going to come down and you are going to click on that Group B link. It is going to direct you directly to today's assignment. Okay, whatever I need you to be working on from home, it's going to take you there. All right? Group A and ARC on Wednesday, whenever you guys are working on your own from home, you are going to click on the Group A button. All right? So every day, whenever you come to social studies, whether that is in person or at home, you are going to click on the link that is appropriate to you. And every time it will take you to the exact assignment or activity that I need you working on for the day. All right? I don't know how to make it any simpler than that. If you have a suggestion, let me know. But for social studies, this is what's going to make most sense for us. Mondays, click on the Monday button. If you're a Group A kid, doesn't matter, Tuesday through Friday, you're going to click on Group A. Group B, you're going to do the same. The only Zoom link that is still needed under Phase 2 is for our ARC kiddos who are at home. All right? And you guys have that second link right there. I hope this makes some sense, guys. If you have questions, please reach out to me. Trying to make this as simple, as seamless as we can possibly make it for you. Looking forward to seeing some folks in person. I'm looking forward to keeping ARC cruising because we're doing an awesome job with that online learning. So here we go. Next phase, Phase 2. Let's do it.